if you're going to be tinkering around on your vehicle and servicing your vehicle, or messing around with your vehicle, say you've got a hot rod and you want to work on it, just always try and have a fire extinguisher in your workshop, or if you're working on the street, have it near you, because if you ever need it, you're going to need it in a hurry. Now, petrol is very flammable. There's a lot of other products in a vehicle that are flammable, so just remember, they're not that expensive. Go to your local hardware shop, grab one, put it on the wall where it's easy to access, or if you're working outside, have it near you, because if you need it, you're going to need it in a hurry. Hopefully you never do need it, but it's there if you need it, okay? So safety first. Go and grab a fire extinguisher, okay?